Okay, here's the tutorial in Vegas Pro version 15. The monitor is rotated, but the tutorial is about moving objects only horizontally. I want to move that arrow to the right without moving it up or down, and I want to move that small image also to the right. Okay, so first let's find on the timeline which one is which. We can use that M button, the mute, and we can see that that one's the arrow. So let's go to the first one and click on the first icon, event pen crop. Okay, and here make sure you're on the first keyframe. We have two tracks here. We have the position and the mask, and make sure you're on position and click on the first keyframe, because if you have multiple keyframes then you will have a transition between them. Okay, and here at position we have X and Y center. We will use the X one because that's the horizontal in this case. Click on the number, and here on the right side you can drag that slider and the thing is moving only horizontally. Okay, let's close this one and let's find the image itself. The same thing, use that mute button, and yes, it's the third one, that one. So the same thing, go to the first icon, event pen crop. Okay, and make sure you're not somewhere there, but click on the first keyframe. Okay, and the same thing here at X center, move it in a direction, and that's it. It's moving only horizontally. You can use the keyboard also to make fine adjustments, or you can type in the value manually, and so on. So that's how to move objects only horizontally in Vegas Pro. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.